is not an easy thing, but he landed it perfectly.
Monster Jam fans, this was awesome. The sickest two-wheel of my life.
Let me hear ya!
Hey Monster Jam fans, I'm Bernard Light, driver of the Megalodon Monster Jam truck. I have been driving for a good 5 years now. One of my greatest accomplishments is, I like to say, I'm the wrench in the competition. I take out champions, and being a part of Monster Jam, it's a lot of fun. There's absolutely nothing in the world like it. Check out this Megalodon RC. This truck is absolutely awesome, from the shocks to the chassis to the body. Check out the teeth. The BKT tires definitely stand out, and I can guarantee it's going to take the rough and tough, just like the real Megalodon Monster Jam truck. Everybody loves freestyle, and with this Megalodon RC truck, we're gonna see how much it can really take. You don't ever know what's gonna happen at a Monster Jam freestyle. Let's see how this Megalodon RC truck handles the dirt. This bad boy is definitely rough and tough. Check out how those BKT tires are handling the dirt. This bad boy is moving. This Megalodon RC truck takes jumps just like I do. Monster Jam fans, thanks for hanging out with me. Make sure and check out other episodes of Drivers vs. Toys. Y'all take care.
This video featured the official Monster Jam trucks from Spin Master. Get them now.